Hasa ripoti ronde niko bono mwaseneta gwe county ya Vihiga Mheshimiwa Godfrey Ososti oyubego kabeire omokonyi bumurai bw'ekiama gia ODM gwiko kurusikwa kwae kobwatekana n'egikaro gia SNDC kianegetigwe omutienyi oyeta niko bono Ososti asokire na goteba ng'anigo atari gochia kwamiriria okona choko gwekiombe giokiama gia ODM KWERUSIA rase bona atebire nari tayari kwerusanania kurwase ekiama ekio na koenekia buna nkobwatera nare na baraibande korosia ekiama ekio kirache komokonya omwananchi.
My statement is very weighty, so I do not want to talk about ODM because the more you talk about ODM, the more you make them relevant. The team of Linda Ground, I do not want to make any references to them. I came here to meet the elders, the Luya elders, and we have consulted with them, we have spoken with them because they said that they wanted to hear from me what Godfrey Ososti and what is happening to Edwin Sifuna. And I think I've explained to them a lot. I do not want to talk about the other side. Let me remain focused. All I can say is that we are very much focused on a bigger agenda that is going to address people's issues, wananchi issues. We have issues of corruption, we have issues of unemployment, we have the issues of public debt, we have issues of cost of living. Let those be issues that are going to define. I do not care anymore about what Linda Ground is doing. Let them do their stuff and we are going to do our stuff. I think there is a lot of untruth outside there. The fact is that governors are accountable. They must be accountable for the funds that they receive. We appropriate money to the counties. Every year we process a lot of funds to our counties. And when we send that money to our counties, governors feel good. Governors talk good about Senate. But when we ask for accountability, they should also be ready to be accountable. And accountability is asking them how they have spent the money. And we are asking this question not arbitrarily. We ask these questions based on the report of the Auditor General. So when we ask you to appear before us, to respond to the issues contained in the Auditor General's report, and you do not come. After several attempts, you do not come. What happens? We summon you. When we summon you and you don't come, what follows? As per the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act, is that a warrant of arrest is issued. And if a warrant of arrest is issued, and you do not present yourself to the police have a responsibility to arrest that government.